you are using one of our standard level subscriptions, you can make use of our parts of a kit feature. This is useful for things like gift packs or mixed cases, where you want to sell a single pack but have mixed items within that pack deducted from inventory. Firstly, make sure you set up the item within your gift pack beforehand. Secondly, create a new item to represent the gift pack and use the unit of measure each, rather than any volumetric measure, as you'll be selling the gift pack as a whole item. Then, within the gift pack item, scroll down to the inventory area, click Select Your Own Components under the default Components area, choose the item and the correct quantities that make up your kit. If you're using a production version of Vinsight, remember to toggle from Bill of Materials to Parts of a Kit so that items are deducted at the time of shipping and not at the time of production. Finally, you can review and accept any of the suggested updates to the parent kit based on the child components, such as when the current standard cost does not match the sum of the item costs. It's also good practice to make a new item code if you have a new offer, rather than reusing previous items. This makes sure that costing and traceability for historical reasons are easier. Now, whenever you've sold a parent item, Vinsight is able to tell you if you have enough child items to complete the order. Then, when you dispatch the order, Vinsight will deplete the child components from the kit from inventory.